guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here and we're gonna do another Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see, you know, what I get in this box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so this is my Boxycharm. It's the Luxe box that I get every 3 months. To be honest, I've already opened the box. That's why my eyes are done, my brows are done, because there's no eye or brow product in the box. And that's a normal story anyway, so yeah. So I opened the box because I wanted to know what was in the box. I did not check the prices, so we're gonna go. But this month's theme is Fall Luxe Boxycharm. So yeah, so again, there's no product for the eye. Like, actually there's a mascara there. So the first item on here is gonna be a contour palette from Cab or KB Beauty, and she looks like so. Take a look at this, and she looks like so. So this is actually very pretty. I think I can use maybe like 5 of the shades in there, so we're gonna use this today for sure. We're gonna use that. The other item on here is from Iconic London, and it is the Triple Threat Mascara, so I'll try that also. We have a higher activated lip scrub from, it's Dew of the Gods, and it's from Froze. So yeah, I don't know, just gonna, you know, go in with my teeth. Looks like so it almost looks like a pink sugar, and I guess when you put water on there it activates it. So that looks very childish. The next item on here is gonna be from Rare Beauty, and it is I guess a lip balm. Yeah, that looks like so. I might use that, we'll see. And then the other item on here is called, it is from the Lifestyle Co. It's a bamboo body polish. Vegan, paraben free, sulfate free. Yeah, just any smell. Oh, this smells really good. So basically this is a scrub. The next item on here is gonna be from Sunday Skin, and this is a moisturizer. So I don't know, I think maybe I'll use this. Has like a little bit of a smell. The next item on here is By Use Me. It's from Orchard, and it is shampoo and condition. And then the final item on here is from Nuco, and it is, I guess it's like a herbal supplement, and it is Defense Drops. I don't know, I'm real kind of finicky on what I put into my body, so we will see. So there's all the items. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my face, and then we're just gonna jump into the face. But before I do that, let me put on my lashes real quick. I want to clean this, because if not, it's gonna like kind of just pull the lashes out, and we don't want that. And let me go ahead and just clean my face real quick. It's actually pretty easy. Look, if you guys are interested, I'm using honey from Juvia's Place, and it's literally just 4 shadows, but the look is nice and simple. The lashes are insane big, but it's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the Saturday Skin. Ooh, that's a lot. That's very dewy. And to prime, I'm gonna use my Erborian Extra Matte. This is my Brick-A-Brac from MAC. I'm gonna put a little bit in my smile line right here. I'm actually gonna go have a drink with a cousin of mine that's visiting. That is all I need there. And let's go into foundation. Oh, my ears. So I'm gonna mix these two. I'm gonna use 12.5 from Makeup Revolution. I feel like this is like a little bit dark for me, maybe just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use my extra shot from Marc Jacobs. See, this is already like pretty much almost matching me. Like when I came back from vacation, it was super dark. Super dark. What is my blush? Right here, this is my 732 from Luxie. I know, just ignore my hair. Oh my god, my hair looks so funny. Let's go ahead with some ABH. I'm just so disappointed in Boxycharm, to be honest with you. Like, I know I keep saying that and I keep getting them. Sometimes I get some good skincare, you know. Like Saturday Skin is pretty good. Well, that brand, I've never used this, but the brand itself is really good. So I'm like, maybe. So we're just gonna go back to the HudaBeauty, which is what I was gonna use to begin with. I always have issues like closing down like HudaBeauty stuff. Look, I almost broke this. Where is my blush? And I'm gonna use my 335 to blend my concealer. And just blend right here to make sure everything blends nicely. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use my Mercier powder because never steer me wrong, never ever. And just put some right here. I'm basically just putting it everywhere I put concealer. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go into Conifer from HudaBeauty. This is like a mess. I'm gonna make sure, because I don't want, when I go in with my bronzer, it just like be all tacky. Because we actually have a bronzer to try. Okay, so let me go in and just put like a little bit of primer. Nothing crazy. What is my Little Honey palettes? Gonna go in here. We're gonna go in the dark shade right here. And we're gonna go into that yellowish mustardy shade and just actually let's go ahead and put, yeah, Torch is fine. Let's put Torch from Urban Decay. Now let us go into this, if I can find it right here, the bronzing part. I'm not sure which shade I should go in. Let's try this shade right here called Toffee. With a little bit of cream just to like dust it off a little bit so it's not so hot. Yeah, I mean it's super pigmented, but it's all good. My hair looks like I look like a crazy person, so I'm gonna go into this and I'm gonna go into this. I'm just gonna mix these two shades. Just need a little bit of highlighter. Again, I'm not focusing too much on these things because you know they're not in the palette, so I'm not gonna go too much into what these are. I'm gonna use this is from Huda Beauty and this is Very Berry. It's from Ace Beauty. It's not pink. Okay, and let's use this from Rare Beauty. What shade is this? Support. Okay, let's go ahead and use this mascara. I'm just gonna use it in my lower lash line. I don't use mascara there, but since we're already here, we're just gonna go ahead and I'm putting my comb to get hot. Look at this. Oh my god. See, that's why I don't do this. All that for nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through that box real quick because you know what is this paper and what is my phone. So first we're gonna go to our handy dandy calculator. So you have nothing on here. So the first item is from Rare Beauty, which is the lip balm. It's a dewy lip balm. It is hydrated lip balm with a kiss of dewy buildable color that looks and feels so good your lips will thank you, and that is $16. The next item on here is the mascara. So you have a little dot here that I still have to clean, and that is Fed Up with Falsies. No, because I didn't do anything for my lashes, so yeah, that's $26. The next item on here is from Saturday Sunday, Pretty Pop Probiotic powder whipped cream, a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by probiotics for healthy or prebiotics. Oh no, it's something. And it says it's for healthy radiant skin, and that is $57. The next item on here is from Cab Cosmetics. I don't know, the contour, it's okay. I mean, that's $60. The next item on here is the shampoo and condition. I didn't try that, not really sure how that's gonna work, and that's $66. The next item is the Defense Drop. To be honest with you guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna try that because I'm real picky with like what I put in my body, and that is $35. The next item on here is from the, I guess is the body wash from Bamboo. Is Lifestyle Code the Bamboo body wash, and that is $49. They say this polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. Bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. Jojoba or jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acids and is quickly absorbed into skin, helping it to feel softer and more nourished. Keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. The next item on here is from oh, that's the lip scrub, and that was $16. So yeah, so my total $325. I mean, most of the stuff on here I'm not even gonna use, so let me make sure I calculate that properly. 60 plus 35 plus 49 plus 16. Yep, well, $259. I don't know, man. Like, it's just this whole thing is just like, I'm disappointed. Like, I'm over the skincare thing. Like, I'm so over that. Like, it's not my thing. Like, I use this moisturizer. Am I gonna use all the skincare on here? Maybe not. Maybe not. But we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, so that's it, guys, for another Boxycharm unboxing failure. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to give the videos a thumb up, you know, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.